Hey Jamper fans, Jamper Man here. Just putting together a little update on what I'm doing. So um, I ran into an issue with the trailer hitch and not having the connector to work trailer lights um, if I tow a trailer. Um, the wiring harness that I had was badly corroded. It's been exposed to the salt and elements for 11 years since I put it on there. So had to order a new part. Should be here tomorrow. But let me tell you about my plans on what I'm doing with the Jamper. Let me turn the camera off. There we go. So I got this pulled apart. I tore out the whole everything I had in there. I took out the back seats, so they're gone, to give me more storage space underneath when I put the platform back in here. Um, this is just pulled apart right now because that's where the trailer hitch connection gets put in. That's coming on Amazon first thing tomorrow morning. I got it overnight, so I'll put that in tomorrow, put this stuff back together, and then put the platform back in here. When I do that, I might do some minor design adjustments. But the back part here should be basically the same setup as I had before. What else I'm doing is I tore out most of the electrical work that I did, and I'm going to do it up a little better, move a few things around, and hopefully have a better configuration in the future to make things easier. So that's where we are right now, and stay tuned. I'll give you an update as soon as I get all the wiring done and start building the platform back. So yeah.